What's going on, guys? Back with a brand new airplane again. Brand new. Got this in from Motion RC. It's the Flightline FW190 D-9 Dora, World War II German fighter plane. This is the 850mm size version. I love these kinds because they're not too small, not too big, about perfect. This one here is designed for belly landing, so that's what I like where I live. I like to belly land. I really can't land with wheels back here, so belly landing's perfect, and this size is perfect. And it was gorgeous, and I had to get it. $129, Motion RC. Like I said, 850mm. It can take 3S and 4S lipos up to 2200 milliamp hour, from like I think 1600 up to 2200 milliamp hour, 3S or 4S, which is awesome for this size. So I'm pumped about that. Comes with a 950 kV motor, 9x6 two-blade propeller, 30 amp ESC, and 3 9-gram plastic servos, which I say 3 because all this plane has is ailerons and elevator. There's no rudder. I really don't need rudder. I don't use rudder hardly ever anyway. So that's perfect for me. Enough talk. Let's crack this baby open. All right. Let's see what we got in here. Got the instruction manual. The old instruction manual. I was watching another video. I already know what this is, thanks to Motion RC's video. It's a clear plastic, hard plastic thing that goes on the bottom of the fuselage for when you belly land. So don't pitch that when you get it. Let's go ahead and take this off here. All right. Here's your wing. Ooh, I love that color. Ooh, that is sweet. It looked good in the pictures, but man, it really does look good. That is the perfect size too. Servos pre-installed, everything, the links, everything, your push rods, all installed. Good to go. Boom. Let's see what else we got in here. The old fuselage. Wow. Wow. I'm impressed, guys. I am impressed with the detail and the looks, the paint, the scale detail of this is beautiful. Oh my goodness. Look at this thing. Oh, wow. It looks awesome. The motor. Man, I'm loving it. I'm loving it already. Okay, we got a carbon fiber spar here. There's your horizontal stabilizers, it's your nose cone, propeller, and some glue. Heck yeah, give you a little glue. Alright guys, this looks pretty simple. This looks like it's going to be a simple build, I'll tell you that. Stabilizer pieces. You get 2 sections. So the spinner, just basic plastic spinner, and your hardware. So the wing, that thing is cool. And of course, can't forget this baby. Look at this. Wow. Beautiful. Alright, so I already watched a video on how to build this. Motion RC has a nice build video up on their website, but all you do is put, for the vertical stabilizer, you put that spar through, put a little glue on there, and bam, you're done. Then the wing screws on with 2 screws. So it's a very simple build. So let me go and do that. See if they want glue. See if they want glue on the. Yep, got to put a little glue in the hole as well. So let's get our. I guess this is kind of like a foam tack kind of glue. Yeah, it is. And put a little glue in this hole. Put a little glue in that hole right there, where the carbon fiber spar is going through. I don't know if you can see that with the lighting, but that just goes right through. Center it up. Got a little glue stuck on there, and we put a little glue on the spar itself. Not too much. Don't want to go overboard. All right. Might need both hands for this, guys. Yep, I'm gonna need both hands. Nice. Right in. Right in. Wow. Pretty darn simple. Pretty darn simple. Little glue, a carbon fiber spar, and you're set on that. Let's go and install my wing. Pretty simple. I need to get me a nice thing to sit my airplane fuselage on so I don't damage anything. Go this way. So all you need to do is undo your servo wire here. 2 of them, one for each aileron. And just make sure they're up in this hole. This part slides back in this gap. Wow, I love the way this thing looks, and the build looks good. Super simple. Okay, that's in the hole. Push that in. It's a little snug, but I guess you want it somewhat snug. Push it in. Get your 2 screws and put them in. Look at this thing. That is sweet. That thing is sick. Love it. And yep, 1 screw right there, 1 screw right there. And my screwdriver's too big. Let me get a smaller one. Nice. Sweet. Man, look at this thing, guys. That thing is sharp. 120 bucks, $29. It's going to be a great belly lander too. I love that size. I love this size. Can't see it, but my E-Flight pits back here is 850 millimeter also. So yeah, it's perfect size for me for back here. It's got these for when you're belly landing. It's got the protectors for the servo arms and everything, so you don't strip them off there. Also got to install. Also got to hook up the control horn to elevator. And oh, there's one on each side. That's different. There's actually one on each side that connects to both. Usually they have something going through here that connects the two, so it's all one, but that's different. Whatever. pull back and then pull out. Check that out. That is badass. So yeah, there's your the insides. Looks like there's plenty of room, tons of room in here for whatever size pack you want to put in. There's your 30 amp ESC. Comes with XT60 connector. Okay, yeah, your push rods, here they are. What do? You loosen this screw right here. Sorry, let me get over here a little better view. You loosen this screw, then you push the rods through, and then connect them to your elevator, and then you turn it on, center it, and then tighten it back down so everything's centered up. I'm not going to do that on camera, but it's basic. It's pretty simple. You can figure it out. The manual tells you as well. So here's the servo wires. I pushed through the aileron servo wires, and there's your elevator and your ESC. And of course, you need a receiver. This isn't bind and fly. This is, I mean, you need to get a receiver with it for this, and of course your transmitter. So I'll put a Spectrum receiver in here, and that's about it. Bind it up, and we're going to be good to go. So yeah, you pull this back, and you got to hold it back as you pull it out. It's pretty cool. And you push it in. You have to push it in as well to get it in there. It ain't going nowhere. Wow. Awesome looking airplane. Let me put the spinner on. Yeah, this little part. Focus. That goes on first. Let me make sure I'm doing this right. I'm guessing. That's what they make manuals for, stupid, right? Looks like they only have it. Here they go. Yes. That goes on first. Okay. Then this little one goes on second. Like that. Then this goes on next. Right? Yep. And then your propeller. The second piece you put on has to push back further, so this black spinner part can go back further. And then you put your prop on. Okay. And then this screws on, and then you tighten it down real good, and it smashes it all together. So let me get a screwdriver and do that. So the prop has to go just like that, the way it's in between there and there. See how that's on there? And then you put your, tighten this down again. As you can see, there's a hole in this right here. You always stick like something like this hex wrench in there, and then you grab your propeller and you torque the opposite directions for both of them to tighten it down. So it's tight. Now we got to get our cone, and the cone should snap right on, and then right there, 2 screws. We're good to go, baby. This thing's gorgeous, guys. Absolutely gorgeous. There's one. Sweet. And there's 2. Look at this thing. Woo, baby. What a gorgeous airplane. Man, never had a Flightline. Never had a Flightline airplane before, so this is my first one. So we'll see how it goes. From what I'm hearing, this thing's awesome. Flies super fast, super powerful. So stay tuned, guys, and we'll get a flight. Alright guys, so all I need to do is get my receiver installed, line up my push rods. Once you install the receiver and get the servo centered, connect your push rods on the elevator, and tighten down that screw on the servo. And if you want to put that plastic piece on the bottom here, you can do that as well. Goes right there. Protects it a little bit. I might not. I don't know. We'll see. But besides that, we'll be good to go. Can't wait to put this baby to the test. So, thanks for watching, and until next time, the RC Element